Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Evanyaku 247 channel. Today we are learning how to wash our dirty clothes using a washing machine. We are using TCL brand. Yeah, this type. Okay. And then it's 7.0 kg. Before you can start, make sure that you have electricity and water. So you can contact an electrician and a plumber to fix for you. Yeah, so the plumber will fix the water, and the electrician will help you with the plug. That's the first step. So in our case, we have electricity, then we have our water as well flowing. So we are going to start. Here is how the inside looks like. So we start by putting our dirty clothes inside like this. The next step is to get your detergents. Some people use liquid soap. Sometimes I use liquid soap, but today I don't have liquid soap. My liquid soap is finished, so I'm using washing powder. So I'll pour my washing powder on the dirty clothes like this. The clothes are many, so as you can see, I have white clothes, so I'm going to add blue. This is optional. So there is my blue. I'll add water, mix it like this, and then pour it. It's optional. The next thing is to add something that will give my clothes a pleasant smell. This one too is optional. Yeah. So I'm done. Now I'll plug the next step is to switch it on and then come here. So we have the instructions. We have on and off button. We have start, pause. We have program delay. We have water level. And then we have the instructions here. 1 is standard, 2 delicate, 3 quick, 4 intensive, 5 soak wash, 6 wash, 7 wash plus rinse, 8 rinse plus spin, 9 spin, and then 10 drum clean. So in my case, I'm washing, so I will choose 7, which is wash plus rinse. So I will press the on off button first, and I come to program. I come to water level. I'll press on the on button, then come to water level. I normally choose 7. So it starts from 1, 2, 3, depending on the quantity of the clothes. So I'll choose 8 today. Then come to program. I'll choose 7 because I want it to wash and rinse, and then I start. So now this is how it is. It starts. So the water is flowing, as you can hear. This is how it looks. You can open it when the water is flowing. When it starts washing, you can't open it. When you open it when it's washing, it becomes an error. Okay, so let's come here. We have AA, which is soak, BB means wash, CC means rinse, and then DD means spin. In our case, we chose wash and rinse. So see, the delay is BB because we are washing. You see BB, so you see it here. So let's time it. We have 39. Yeah, the water is flowing. That's how it works. It is now washing. Yeah, so the sound has changed. Now you can't open it. Yeah, so it's now washing. It was 39. Now it's 31. So it's taking about 8 minutes. Yes. So that is how it works. Yeah, it's washing. So this is the sound it makes when washing. We have BB. It's washing BB. It has finished washing. Have you seen that the sound has changed? Have you heard the different sound? It means it has finished washing. So now, in no time, the water will come out. Yeah, so this is how it is. So I have my pan here. I didn't wash it in the washroom, so it means I have to improvise something for the water to come out. So I have my pan here. I use it. So this is how it is. So as you can hear, it's spinning. See, Didi. So that is how it spins. Didi. It's spinning. It has changed. I mean the sound. So it is spinning. That is how it is. So each stage has its own sound. So the soap has its sound, wash, rinse, and spin. Yeah, it's not something difficult. So it's spinning. This is how it's done now. So I'll put it off. Let me open it and see how it looks. So have you seen? It is dry. There is no water in it. So after washing, it rinses and spins as well. So see how dry this shorts looks. It is so dry. So that's how it is. Let me take a different one. See, I have these jeans. It looks dry. Yeah, so that's how it is. Yeah, I'll dry it a little bit. So guys, I think we are done now. Yeah, something like this, I will dry it again and then iron it. Yeah, now this one, it can be worn. Yeah, so we are done. This is how we operate washing machine. Yeah, specifically TCL brand. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Like, comment, and share. Bye bye for now. I love you. Mwah.